Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do zoom in effect in Davinci Resolve. Alright guys, so here we are in the edit tab. I have taken these two clips. I have given the link in the description so that you can download. I am taking the adjustment clip, placing it over here, coming in the middle of two clips, going 15 frames backwards, trimming the clip, coming in the middle, 15 seconds forward, trimming the clip. Now I am going in the fusion, shift space and add this transform node which is transform XR. Add, I will go in the first frame, create a keyframe on size, come in the last frame of the first clip, create a keyframe and the first frame of last clip, create a keyframe and in the end create one keyframe. So total 4 keyframes. So now come in the second keyframe, change the size to 2.5. Now come in the third keyframe, change the size 0.25. Now in edges settings, set it to mirror. Now go in the settings, check motion blur, max out the quality and shutter angle. Okay, so now we have to set the velocity. Come in the spline, check transform, control A, press F. Okay, so now grab second handle and pull the handle down like this. Grab third handle, pull it up. So now grab first handle, press Alt, pull it backwards like this. Now fourth handle, pull it forward. Cool. So guys, this is the final effect which we have got. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Bye bye and I will see you in the next video.